Hey, welcome back. Look at this number right here. This is the exact moment PC gaming died for regular guys like Jake. A solid mid-range GPU, the kind that runs everything on high settings. Used to cost $350 today. That same card is pushing 900, and analysts are saying by late 2026. Tried to $1,000. Jake saved up for 6 months. Now he can't even afford the budget option. So what's really going on here? The answer is darker than you think. Here are the 5 hidden forces destroying GPU prices in 2026. Secret number 1, the AI Hunger Games. It started quietly, then it exploded. Every AI model you use image generators, video tools, coding assistants runs on PUS. Not regular GPS. Thousands of them, stacked in warehouses the size of football fields, NVIDIA used to split its production between gamers and data centers. That deal is dead. Data centers now pay 10 times more per chip, so NVIDIA made a choice. And it wasn't you. The H100 chip, the one powering Chat, costs $30,000 per unit. Microsoft, Google, and Meta are ordering them by the hundreds of thousands. Your $350 gaming card, it's an afterthought. Secret number 2, the VRAM war. Here's what nobody tells you. AI doesn't just need GPS, it needs VRAM. The memory inside the GPU, the more VRAM, the smarter and faster the AI. 2 years ago, -1 GB was enough for gaming. Now, AI developers want 80, 96, even 192 GB per chip. That VRAM has to come from somewhere. So manufacturers are cramming it into enterprise chips and stripping it out of consumer cards to cut costs. The result? Your new gaming GPU has less memory than the one from 3 years ago, but it costs twice as much. That's not an accident. That's a strategy. Secret number 3, the scalper algorithm. This one will make your blood boil. The second a new GPU drops, bots buy them all. Not humans, bots. Automated scripts that hit add to cart faster than any human can blink. These aren't random guys. In basements. These are organized operations running sophisticated software. They buy thousands of units. Then they flip them on eBay and stocks for 2, 3, sometimes 4 times the retail price. NVIDIA knows this is happening. They haven't stopped it because the cards still sell. Just not to you. Jake refreshed the page for 3 hours. The bots were done in 3 seconds. Secret number 4. The tariff trap. Here's the part that hits different in 2026. Almost every GPU component crosses multiple borders before it reaches your hands. Chips designed in the US, manufactured in Taiwan, assembled in China, and shipped globally. New tariffs on Chinese manufacturing hit hard in early 2025. Add the Taiwan tension on top. Every checkpoint adds cost. And guess who absorbs that cost? Not NVIDIA, not Best Buy.U. A card that cost $280 to manufacture now costs $380 just to get to the store shelf, before profit margins, before retailer markup, before the bots even touch it. Secret number 5, the one company problem. This is the one that keeps industry insiders up at night. NVIDIA controls over 88% of the AI GPU market. AMD is trying. Intel is trying. But trying doesn't mean competing. Not yet. When one company controls the supply, the price, and the roadmap, they set the rules. And right now, the rule is simple: AI customers first. Gamers get the leftovers. NVIDIA even launched a separate GeForce tier with artificially limited performance, designed specifically to prevent their gaming cards from competing with their data center cards. They're deliberately kneecapping your options to protect their margins. That's not capitalism. That's a chokehold. So let's bring it home for Jake. Why can't he afford a GPU in 2026? 1. AI data centers ate the entire supply. 2. From got redirected to enterprise chips. 3. Bots grabbed everything at launch. 4. Tariffs stacked the cost against consumers. And 5. One company runs the whole game. It's not bad luck. It's a system working exactly as designed. Just not designed for you. Is Jake going to wait it out or switch to console? Drop your answer in the comments. And watch this next video, because the GPU situation in 2027 might actually be worse. I'm Noah. See you.